quédate con tu piel. Baila hasta que la noche se acabe, bailamos salsa y reggaeton.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos on my channel. I also love to blog and love everything that's pink and girly, so if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. So today I am very excited. I'm going to be comparing two very popular and hard to find items from Louis Vuitton. I have the mini Pochette, and I also have the Pochette Accessoire. I have this in the damier azure and also in the monogram print, and these are very hard to get. It took me months and months of trying to get these. So I am going to be doing a comparison and also show you what fits inside and how I style them. And I will also share with you some tricks and tips on how to score these amazing hard to find items on their website. But before I get started, I wanted to share with you two gorgeous jewelry pieces that I recently got from the brand Ana Luisa. They reached out to me and they sent me two gorgeous pieces. I chose this heart necklace right here, which is stunning, and then I also have another piece right here which I will share with you. But let me tell you a little bit more about the brand. So Ana Luisa is known for their sustainability, which means that they use only 100% recycled gold and silver, and all their pieces are made out of high quality, very comparable to the Louis Vuitton and Tiffany & Co. So you can be sure you're getting exceptional value for the price. So all their prices start from only $49 and up, depending on the pieces that you choose. And they also offer complimentary 1-year warranty on all their pieces. So let me show you, give you a close-up of this gorgeous necklace that I have. This one here has like a little heart, like a bubble heart, and it's gorgeous. The chain is beautiful. You can adjust the chain. You can use it as like a choker necklace or more as a longer necklace. I really love the style on this necklace. I think it's just perfect, and it's so pretty. So I also picked up this one here. This one here says Joy Ana Luisa, and they all compact so nicely inside this little like velour pouch. And the necklace that I picked out is this gorgeous necklace here with this tiny little heart and a key. This one here is more like a dainty necklace, and also it has like a longer chain, but you can also adjust it to make it shorter. So I do have a 10% coupon code. Just use the code FABIOLA10. I'll link it down below, as well as the name to these gorgeous pieces from Ana Luisa and where you can find them. But I am just very grateful and very excited that I got these two gorgeous pieces. So let's go ahead and move on to the comparison on these very popular items.
You came to this place to hide away in the dark. You tell yourself you need to move on, but when not in the shadows can ease your broken heart. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind, wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side, I'm by your side, right? You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over, but you see my face on all the strangers' doors. So are you sure that it's over? When you close your eyes, I'm by your side, babe. When you close your eyes, I'm on your mind, babe. You'll find me there dancing in the crowd. You tell yourself that it's over. Drown yourself in the smoke, babe. You came to this place to hide away for a while, but we both know that when it gets late, one call away and then you are spending the night. They turn the volume up, you shut your mind, wanna escape your thoughts for a little while, but when you close your eyes, I'm by your side, right? You'll
share with you what I did to be able to get my hands on these hard to find items. So one thing you want to do is make sure you have a profile with Louis Vuitton and make sure everything is up to date, including your address, phone number, and credit card. I did do this the very first time and my credit card was expired, so when I was ready to check out, the item had already been sold out. It literally sells out in less than a minute. So you want to make sure that everything is in there so that you can just be ready to check out. Another thing to do is add everything to your wish list. Even if it's not available, you can click the little heart, add it to your wish list, and then go from there. So what I did is I would literally go on their website multiple times a day, multiple times a week, until I found that usually they stock up everything at around 2:35 p.m. and 8:35 p.m. and 9 p.m. But all the times that I would log in at around 2:35, I would see that a lot of their things would be in stock. And this has worked because I even have gotten messages from different comments here saying that they found them at exactly that time. Maybe it's not exactly at 2:35, but around that time, as well as 8:35 and 9 p.m. So once you refresh your page on your favorites and you see that it says add to cart, just add it quickly and you'll be able to check out. So that's what I did. I just literally went on their website all the time, but then I did notice that there were certain times that many of the things would be back in stock, and that just seemed to work for me. So give it a try, see if that works. But I'm just very grateful and so excited that I was able to get my hands on these pieces that I've always wanted. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and I really hope you can find these pieces if you have not already. Give it a try and don't give up. You will be able to find these pieces. So I really hope you enjoy this video and I will see you all next time. Bye.